Hey there, everybody. How are you doing? Good morning. Today I'm going to review a product that we've been using in our home. And we've been using a lot of different kinds, so I will be showing a review of those. At the same time, we're going to be doing my kids making slime, and then some cooking. And so I'm going to be posting those videos soon. But I wanted to show you what we use this beginning of year and what has been working with us. I want to do it all in one, but it will be a lot, so I'm going to do it separately, weekly, so the videos won't be too long. And I hope you guys are having a great start of the year. I know a lot of people are sad because of what's being happening, and but stay strong, don't give up. Always know that God is first and that He has everything under control, and that we shouldn't be afraid. Okay, so let me show you. We've been using the Volcano Lava Lab. So I did like a unit study of a volcano. Now my kids already knew some things about that volcano, and I'll show you what they watched where they are learning a lot of things. But this thing is great. It has a lot of things on it, so I'm gonna be posting the links, so you can buy it from my Amazon store. But if you see here, it has everything you need. Now we're gonna go into that in a little bit. For me, when it says that it has everything you need, it means that it has everything you need. So I thought it come. Do you see the bombs here? The volcano bombs. Right there, lava bombs. Since he said everything is included, I thought that was included. But no, you have to make those. And it's fun. It's fun. I just wish they will mention that here, because when we got it, I was not fully prepared. Just assume, right? So it comes with the little thing where they can put the lava bombs here. And then I wish I would remember all the names. We already went over them, but I don't remember. And this is where you create the lava bombs. You create them with them, okay? Now it brings this to make it fun. Brings 2 gloves. It brings lava foam, the color for the lava, and this is where my English is going to get tested. Hope I'm pronouncing it right. Beaker. Not that I don't know what it is, because a lot of times people judge just for one word. Universal indicator paper. Now right now we have done one project, but that one project took us like 3 days, because we have to prepare the lava bombs. And then we had a lot of talk about it. They have 2 spoons and the dropper and the mixers. These are very important. This is where you're gonna make the lava bombs with the sodium bicarbonate and the citric acid. And then to grab the lava bombs. So you can create a unit study, see, my English is, okay. You can create a unit study from this, very easy. And I'll be showing you how to do that. So, and this one has, I think, 3 projects in it. And it's not expensive either. So just make sure that you know that the lava bombs are not included. You have to make them. And you're going to see it on page 5. Okay? how to make them. And if you want to make them more, how do I say, more extravagant, then there's a better version for that on page 15, I believe. Okay. So once you make the first eruption, it has like a little fact check here, and that is where you teach your child while you are doing the project. And you talk about this. Remember, if they're in elementary, you don't have to like do anything big. Just talk about it. Make sure they understand some things, and that they're on track on understanding what a volcano is or whatever the fact is. Alrighty. So, and then he has, okay, let me see. I was going to tell you how many projects. He has making the bomb. Okay, so they call this the Volcano Island. They have the first eruption. They have make your own bread crust bomb. They have just how much ash and lava can a volcano produce. They have detecting invisible gases. So those are the main three things. Now notice here that it says also A+. So just, I think you could do it with smaller kids. Just make sure you're there and that you're, directing your children to, take care of themselves. So you can take care of whatever they're doing. So that is the kit that we have been using. And I'm going to show you right now how can you make this a unit study with some things that we have used. Stay tuned for next week that I'm going to show you technology items that we have been using. If you are not a technology family, then this section for next week is not going to be for you, because we are an eclectic family, so we use different kinds of things and whatever is available for us to learn. So if you don't use technology, I'm just saying it won't be for that. That's all. I'm not saying anything else. Okay, so let me show you. So here we go. Here we are. This is the volcano section of all-in-one homeschool. If you see that right there, it says all-in-one homeschool. Let's see if it focuses. Volcanoes. I'm sorry for that. Okay, I think it looks better right there. All-in-one homeschool, volcanoes. And then she goes on and explain where is a volcano and what does it do. It explains the crater. We also talked about this word that my kids love. Oh, magma. My kids love that. The parts of the volcano. And then it goes into different sections here. So this is how you can create a unit study right there. Then YouTube has this guy right here, which he's awesome, Mr. Demaio. And then it has a 10-minute video of volcanoes, and it explains magma and explains everything of the volcano too. Also, you can go to that came to my head right now. It's hold on. Okay, and then you can use education.com, and then you have all these activities of volcanoes. Last time we also did a volcano with my kids. I'll see if I remember everything that we did so you guys can make it fun. Okay, I hope you guys like this video and that you share it and that you help me grow my page and my YouTube channel. thank you very much, and I hope you guys having a great week. Bye bye. Also, please let me know if you want me to try any more activities like this, or technology that you would like me to try, or websites. Just let me know. I'm here for you, and I love to help you. Bye.